Deep cleaning with putty and 70% strength isopropyl alcohol wipes will ensure your earbuds remain in good working condition. Perform deep cleaning at least once every 2 weeks. Remove the ear tip. Brush around the sound outlet to remove wax and debris. Then perform the following steps. Use the alcohol wipe all over the earbud. After you wipe the earbud, knead the putty and make it into a roll or a ball. Hold the putty in one hand and the earbud in the other. Gently press the putty into the sound outlet and peel it away. Do this a few times. This should clean up the mesh where amplified sound exits the earbud. Gently press the putty into the sound inlet and peel it away. Do this a few times. This should clean up the mesh where amplified sound enters the earbud. Repeat the process on the other earbud. Reuse the alcohol wipe all over the earbuds one more time to remove any residue. The Eargo Deep Cleaning Kit with putty and wipes is available as an accessory at eargo.com.